Millions enjoy Nutella every day, but have you ever seen how it's actually created? Let's unlock the entire process in just 5 minutes.
Everything begins with massive deliveries of hand-picked hazelnuts. Each nut is scanned with lasers to detect size, color, and quality. Powerful air jets clean the nuts before roasting begins. Roasting unlocks the iconic aroma that makes Nutella addictive. Temperature is precisely controlled to achieve the perfect shade. Automated crackers remove shells without damaging the nuts. AI sorting systems reject any imperfect kernels.